Realme 6i with 6.5-inch FHD plus 90Hz display, Helio G90T launching in India on July 14 for under Rs. 15,000. Realme is all set to launch its new smartphone, Realme C11 in India on July 14. Now, Flipkart has jumped the gun and revealed that the company is also launching the Realme 6i smartphone in India on July 14 alongside the Realme C11. The teaser image of the Realme 6i was posted on Flipkart's homepage, which reads, Realme 6i, Flipkart's most powerful mid-ranger under 15K, along with the date and time of the launch, the 14th of July 2020 at 1 p.m. It also reveals that the Realme 6i will be powered by the MediaTek Helio G90T processor and sport a 90Hz smooth display. The Realme 6i is most likely a rebadged Realme 6 that was announced back in May in Europe. Further, the Realme 6i will be priced under 15,000 rupees, and as the Realme 6 is priced starting at 14,999 rupees, we can expect the Realme 6i to be priced starting at Rs. 13,999. We should know more information once it is official on July 14. Realme 6i specifications. 6.5-inch 2400-1080 pixels, Full HD plus LCD screen with 90Hz refresh rate, up to 480 nits brightness, Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. Octa-core MediaTek Helio G90T 12nm processor, dual 2.05 GHz A76 plus Hexa 2 GHz A55 CPUs, with 800 MHz Mali G76 3 eMC4 GPU. 4 GB LPPDDR4X RAM, 64 GB, UFS 2.1 storage, expandable memory up to 256 GB with micro SD. Dual SIM, Nano Plus micro SD. Android 10 with Realme UI. 48MP rear camera with 0.8 micrometers pixel size, LED flash, eyes, 8MP 119 degrees ultra-wide angle lens with f2.3 aperture, 2MP mono sensor and 2MP 4 cm macro sensor with f2.4 aperture. 16MP front camera with f2.0 aperture. Side-mounted fingerprint sensor. 3.5mm audio jack, Dolby Atmos, FM radio. Dimensions, 162.1 74.88.9-9.6 mm, weight, 191 grams. Dual 4G volt, Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, 2.4 GHz plus 5 GHz, Bluetooth 5, GPS plus GLONASS, NFC, USB Type-C. 4300 mAh typical, 4120 mAh minimum, battery with 30W flash charge, fast charging.